Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about how to use value mapping in Grafana. Alright, so let me log in, admin, log in. I'm going to skip this. The first step is to create or select a panel. So in my case, I'm going to select an existing panel or dashboard that I have here. So I'm going to click edit, just move this in the middle. So once you have selected your panel, in my case, a table panel, I'm going to edit it, and here just select or search for value mapping. I'm going to search for value mapping. And if you don't want to search for it, you can just find it here. And it should be somewhere here, value mappings. Okay, so add value mappings. So in my table, I have the list of devices, right? So the IP address, host name, device type, status, location, and time. So I want to modify, or I want to add like icons for the down and up statuses. So the down should be like circle red icon, and up should be green icon or green circle icon. All right, so let me click add value mappings. And so for the value, so value match a specific text value, right? So it should be match the specific text value. So in my, going back to the table, should be match the casing of the word down, right? So down, and I do have like the icon here should be down. Okay, that's how you would create a value mapping. And I'm going to add a new one. So value again, and this time up. And I'm gonna add this one, green circle, and click update. Now we see that instead of just seeing down, we see the circle, the red circles and green circles. And if you want, you can also just say down, just not to remove the words, right? Update. Now we see down, red circles, and up, green circle. And then save and save. So that's how you would create value mappings in Grafana. So value mappings, they can make your dashboards or panels easier to read and easier to look at. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.